Today, I'm going to try and use a fork to eat jello that has melted. This is going to be hard because I've never done it before. So, let's begin. This is hard. Ah, what the heck. Make a post and see, comment below, or make your own video showing me the hardest things to do today. Next time, I'm going to try and play this game with just my phone. Goodbye.